Okay, so here's the thing. We have a collection of coins that we were saving for our cruise. We had it saved up for our vacation, our family, not even just meant, you know, family vacation. I don't think we got to our target. This is what we have.
We weren't being as consistent as we should have been, and somebody kept going in the coin jar for the paper money that was being dropped in the coin jar.
You hear the paradox, right? So it's a coin jar with paper money. So
that was also supposed to be collecting $50 notes and $100 notes, because we know those notes don't really, you know.
It's just $50 and $100.
In this day and age, can't buy a whole lot, so
Can't
might as well drop them in there.
But you know, sometimes you need the paper money, so I just take them out. But all the coins are now being redeemed at this nice location on Barbados Avenue at GK Money Services. Yes, it is. In New Kingston.
In New Kingston.
So I'm going to go there now, and we're going to do something before I go. So, for the record, this is the bag of coins, a lot of 20s and 10s. And I'm going to show you the B-roll of all of it laid out. What are your predictions?
I say $4,000 to $5,000.
$45,000?
4 to 5
$1,000.
4000.
Okay. Hannah, what are your predictions?
Pass the bag. It's away,
Need to
You
wait?
know wait. Oh, you know how much money we Please don't turn it over. Come on, just take a guess. Just take a guess. And the winner gets what? The winner gets.
Okay, I'm going to say. I'm going to say. Okay, I'm going to say.
The winner gets a serving of KFC hot wings.
6. I'm going to say.
Right?
Listen now. Turn the camera back on me, please. Thank you. I think 6,000, 7,000.
6 to 7.
Yes.
Okay. And you?
Alright, so this will be an easy win.
But tell them how much you think it is.
So she's saying 4 to 5. Hannah says 6 to 7. I'm saying easily over $7,000.
No. You
can't
cannot
say
do
that.
that.
So
Let us. We both at a $1,000 range. You need to. Your
Okay.
range need to be like.
Mine is 4 to 5. I leave about 5 to 6. She goes 6 to 7. I leave about 7 to 8. I'm going 8 to 9.
$8,000 to $9,000.
Right. So if it comes in anything higher than that, it's still me win.
No.
If it comes in below 4,000.
No. Let's not do it like that. If it comes
outside of anybody's
range,
they
it's
lose.
a loss.
Okay.
Right.
So basically, potentially, everybody can lose.
Yes.
All right. Fair. 4 to 5. Confirm enough. 4 to 5. 6 to 7. 8 to 9.
So you really are going to walk in at the people in Western Union with your Ziploc bag full of coin?
Ziploc bag full of coin. Take a last look.
Alright, Ava, yes, and idiot to get a chance.
Easily 8 to 9. Easily.
Alright.
Soon come back.
Okay. What you got there?
So none of us will be getting in a KFC.
Oh.
12,000.
No, she changes.
Doesn't matter what she says. No. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11,800.
Wow.
Rich. Real rich.
That's not bad.
No, I'm surprised. But I told this morning it was easy 10 grand.
Yes.
Neighbors, this means that we can, let's say it after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Feast.
Oh, I'm thinking about food. I'm in project mode. So this means we can buy the sledgehammer that we saw for $5,000 on Saturday and go down country and lick down a wall. So you see God provide. Sometimes you feel God will just drop manna from heaven, but sometimes it's the coins that you've been dropping in buckets that will come to help you. God works in different ways. But anyway, going by the sledgehammer tomorrow because it's already pretty late today. But for now, we're going to use a little part of the money and eat some food. I wouldn't say party, but
everybody getting some wings.
Yeah, we all win. Everybody wins today.
Amen.
Start back the journey. See $11,000 later. Hey neighbors, remember to like the video, and if you're new here, welcome. Click subscribe. But these shoes will be
gearing up.
But these shoes will be 10 times after I come back today. I don't know how many of you saw the race last week with Shelly. I'm going to show you the clip of Shelly at her sports day.
Her son's sports day.
Her son's sports day.
It wasn't her sports day.
It's not that's not why how I'm thinking either.
Right.
This is for them, not me.
Listen, neighbors. He has been dreaming of this moment when he can run in the parents' race for his entire life. He has been preparing to redeem himself.
Let me see if I sleep.
Watch them two here.
Mommy.
See it now.
Eh?
On your mark.
On your marks.
Step now.
Okay. On your marks.
No, you have to rock in the block screen.
Okay. Get on your marks. Leila and Zahra, get on your marks. Get set.
No, what do you have to do this first? On your mark.
On your marks. What? Get set. Get set, guys. Get set. Leila and Zahra, get set.
This is how them get. I guess this is how them teach them.
Go! 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 Yay! Woo! All right, this way. Hold on. Run from the next end. Ready again. On your marks. Get set. Go! 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 Zahra, you can't run into other people later, you know, get in trouble, you know.
You have to run straight ahead, alright? Whatever, really.
Find somebody chuck you.
Really? Like champs, boy. It was a dramatic week last week with trucks.
Maybe you need to put in that clip too.
Yeah, I need to put in that clip as well.
Boy, it's that time of year.
But people take trucks serious, it's a serious thing.
In Jamaica.
And emotions will flare, but
yes.
All for fun. I'm not winded, I'm just...
Right, listen. Did you eat something? I asked you from morning. You sure you don't want how many call me?
No man, I'll eat later.
Baby, you sure?
Yeah.
You sure you don't want the chicken in the
Neighbors,
fridge?
I sure you believe in me.
Yeah, we believe in you I believe in you, darling. I believe in you. When you have a full stomach.
Okay.
I'm sure you have energy. So please eat something and get a Gatorade. Guys
Yeah.
ready?
Yes.
You guys ready?
Yes.
Let her read.
Yes.
All set?
Yes.
Zahra read?
Go. Alright, very good.
You need one little pocket rocket, you know. Alright, the girls seem ready.
They might enjoy it now, but it depends on the day go. Alright, so...
The sun has come out, so it's a little hot, but...
Alright, no more running. I don't want you to jump and enjoy yourself before the race, alright?
Enjoy ourselves.
Alright, so
come.
go on the rocket like Shelly.
And then we can
Make sure you bring home the goal, you know.
Yeah, man.
Save the family name.
If Leila and Zahra win gold, I can consider just not participating. But if you get serious and things aren't going good for the house,
right?
This house or yellow house,
yes, you'll have to step in.
I'll have to step in. I don't even wear yellow today because I'm trying to remain neutral and yeah.
All right, guys, time to go. High five. You'll do great. High five. You'll do great. Love you.
love you.
Mwah. Mwah.
Bye.
Love you guys.
Come, let's go.
Bye, Eden.
Bye-bye.
Ava and Mommy. Come here, Ava.
Let me see it.
I just swing that one a while ago.
Look at that.
Let me see it.
It does start smelling yet though.
Oh, you shouldn't do that. Later. She fell for it. I'm a girl.
No, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
No,
It's okay. There's
put it
another
down
one.
till later.
No,
Put it
baby,
down.
no,
It's
take
okay,
it, babe.
it's
You
okay.
haven't
No,
eaten
it's
it.
fine,
Take it
it's
for
fine.
energy.
I
There's
insist,
another
it's
one.
fine.
There is another one on the tree.
It's fine. It's fine.
Take it. No, you take it.
Put it down for me. Put it
No,
down for me.
take it. Take it.
Alright, I win this time. Zahra, Leila going to run next, okay? So get the chair and blow, 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 blow.
Guys, girls. But I think they have more children than the rest of home. Set, go!
Give us some. Run, yellow, run, yellow, yellow, yellow. Boy, neighbors, I feel like I get 5 shades darker on my forehead because I have no cap. When I gone for a cap, good thing she come and ask me and she gone for a cap. But I think the damage is already done. But I'm in queue for the parents' race. I indicated my interest, so hopefully I get a chance to shine. And if Zahra doesn't get to run, I would run for Zahra. Represent the house and the neighborhood well, alright? So I'll keep you updated.
Alright, Mr. Reed is for your house. Mr. McClellan is for red house. And Mr. K for greenhouse. Alright. Starters, are you ready? On your mark. Set. Go! Alright, yellow! Come on! Officials have to tell me. Who can first? Yellow! Greenhouse! Go to the judges table.
Neighbors, that was a great sports day. Our first sports day with the parents' race. And it's success. Probably while I eat this East Indian mango. I have not eaten anything from morning, so this is the first. Wow. First parents' race, first victory. But I must tell you though, it is difficult having twins. Difficult because at the end of the race between me and you, at the end of the day when they announced that hey, sports day is finished, Zahra came to me crying because she didn't get to run. Earlier I said to her, Zahra, you want to watch the race? No, I don't want to watch the race, I want to run. But they just weren't given the opportunity for both of them to run. Leila got the chance, but Zahra didn't, and of course she's going to feel disappointed, understandably. And I feel away for her. I'm happy that I ran, just like Shelly, and represented the house well, got the gold, and she came to me after she finished crying. She was like, Daddy, you won, and you run and touched the guy's hand. So she was happy, and that brought her some joy, and I'm happy for that. But sometimes as a parent of twins, you're torn. One may be better at one thing than the other, and it may disappoint one of them. And so while you rejoice with one, you may feel, you know, sad for the other and stuff. It happens at different points. One may be quicker at certain things. So yeah, still learning how to straddle those two potential emotional roller coaster. But it was a good day. They enjoyed themselves. They got the food. You can stay with grandma now at her house. I'm going to head in town for Hannah. You see anything different about me? So ask me how I got this.
I'm assuming you ran a parents race.
Right. What does this look like? Gold or bronze?
Gold. Congrats.
I have the video to show. I did it.
Mission accomplished.
Of course. Oh, say hi to the neighbors.
Hello.
Yeah, Leila ran as well. She thought she came fourth.
Fourth?
I think so. I didn't read it. I checked about the video. I think it's fourth. Zahra never got to run. Yeah.
Kind of the race. You should do the race thing again from one of the previous
Sports day
videos.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, mother was saying I should do that. Like Garden, but Emancipation Park or Hope Gardens. Okay, so which one is mine? The red velvet?
Yeah.
I got cake today, guys.
The fork's in my pocket, but I don't think you would want that.
Yeah, I wouldn't want fork, that's my pocket. But
They
thank
never have
you.
napkins, so
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Can't wait to see what I get to my birthday.
And mommy's one is cheesecake. Yeah. And I got a decent size, unlike everybody else.
It was smaller than that.
Yes. This is one of the big pieces.
That's crazy. Let's go. Can you believe that Hannah has one term left in high school? Yeah, so tomorrow would have been graduation day pictures. So we did a little mini haul at the Portmore Mall at the shop Glamourholic. Nice place to get your hair products. So she picked up some leave-in conditioner, claws for the hair, scrunchie, a little makeup thing for her complexion, just to put on that to dazzle or the bedazzlement on her. Yeah, so we did that mini haul, and now it's time for the big day, graduation day pictures. Eva woke up with a fat eye, a swollen eye over here. I'm not sure. It looks like it's going down though. I'm not sure what caused it, if Eden kicked her in her sleep or what. Eva, Edie, alright, come, here, sit. Alright, come. Not to be out now. Alright, say good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
So everybody's here because there's no school today. Holiday.
Holiday, Easter holiday.
Yes, Easter holiday. What is it? What does that mean, Leila?
We're going to eat banana cheese.
We're going to eat butter and cheese. That's what Easter means?
Yes.
Okay. This is the day when Hannah
Why are you
transforms
coming up so close?
from regular Hannah to graduation picture Hannah.
So this is hair washed, freshly washed. So we're gonna style and do some makeup.
Ready for it?
Yeah.
See the transformation here now.
This way, turn to the side. All right, okay. Later.
Bye-bye.
Speaking of graduation day pictures, look at, what do you look at this? What we dug up? I can't even,
The archives.
I cannot even show mine because they're nothing to.
Because you don't know where they are.
That's true. But look at this, Exhibit A. What are we looking at here?
We're looking at, well, this is a picture of me in lower 6.
Want to see it? Yes, we'll see.
Yeah, this is me in lower
Lower
6.
six?
This is, all right, okay,
You want to
okay.
see it? That's
So
mom-
it
that's
was
mommy.
taken at the same time that I took my graduation pictures because we graduated in November. I was already in sixth form.
So which one is the graduation day picture?
Actually, this one was the graduation pictures that we posed for. And we had the option, because I went to Camperdown, school colors are red and blue. We had the option of wearing red or blue gowns for the pictures. So I decided to wear blue because my favorite color is blue.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
That mommy, that's your.
But
Yes, that's mommy. That's of Jeet.
Mommy.
Nice.
but this one was the actual graduation day
Oh,
photograph.
Mommy,
So that was me. So on the back, I guess I wrote this. I wrote a note on the back of what was happening there.
Tina receiving subject prizes certificates for this is your handwriting. No,
This is my handwriting. That was written from.
this is exactly how
Sixth
you write.
form.
No,
Yes, but that was written from sixth form.
so you got prizes for Spanish, English, biology, chemistry, physics.
Yeah,
And-
I topped
and
the
for
grade.
lunch?
I topped the grade.
Oh, this is not for lunch. This is from Miss Lynch. I thought I got a lunch prize. Okay. Here.
Oh boy!
See mommy here. See your nose messy?
Look how Ava, look how you do my picture.
Eva, your nose is so messy, baby. Crying down the place. Oh,
Everybody's very fussy this morning. I don't know what it is. Everybody bawling.
And what is this?
Oh, this is from grade 9.
It's from grade 9.
Or no, that's from fourth form.
All the awards at the show. How do you feel now that Hannah is all on her way out of high school? The first round of high school.
It's a strange feeling. It's a strange feeling having a child who is that age. Oh my gosh. We have several more years to go with these, but I'm proud of Hannah. She's making an effort. I expect her to do well in her exams.
Oh boy.
So already she's preparing for her valedictory service and her prom, all these things. So,
Don't cry. Let's stop before you start crying.
you know,
Yeah, let's stop.
it would be nice to have her go through. I remember going through all of that, and it was exciting times. The picture that you have, one picture that you have of your valedictory service, wasn't that the one with you yawning?
Look at the time. Neighbors, I don't know if you can hear that in the background. As Tina rehearsing or doing some vocal warm-ups. She has a song to sing at church on Sunday, so she's doing her thing. So we're going to call it a video here. Nice catching up again. And until next time, have a great Easter season. Eat a bun and cheese. Reflect on the real reason for the season. Alright, so until next time, big up from me and my host. Bye.